Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how I create overhead videos with this 500 rupees tripod. It is very convenient and very sturdy. It is very nice quality and I got this from Amazon. I will share the link in the description. Then let's go set it up. This one is tights and loosens, and this is attached to the table. This goes like this. This moves around. This also moves, and this is the position, and it goes up and down also, so you can take close-up shots and wide lens shots. This is how I set up. The phone comes here and I will show you. So this is the normal length, and you can get a closer video like this. You can move it anywhere. You can get close-up shots and you can get wide lens shots. It even goes up. It moves 360 degrees. You can take smooth shots also. For your videos to look more aesthetic, you can add different elements also. And it also tilts like this, so you can make videos like this also, not only just straight in a tilted position. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any other doubts, you can comment down and let me know. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.